GoPro recently released the GoPro Mission monitor. This allows you to use your iPhone as a monitor for your GoPro Mission 1 Pro. It was actually designed for the Mission 1 ILS, but I'm speculating it will work for the Pro version and the regular Mission 1 version. So when you open this program, this is what you're faced with. Now, it tells you to plug in your GoPro. So it will automatically detect your GoPro. Okay, so turn on the GoPro. I have a door that allows for a pass-through cable to go through, and you're gonna need your USB-C cable. So plug it into the GoPro, and then when you plug it into your USB-C and a USB-C iPhone, I'm thinking you can get an adapter if you have an older iPhone with the lightning connector, but as soon as you connect it, it will recognize USB-C connected, and there you go. I'm now using my iPhone to monitor my GoPro. Okay, from here it has different menu items, focus peaking, zebras, the record and stop button, overlays. I have 16:9 and 9:16 set here. Different LUTs you can do, and then the different settings you can use your GoPro on. And then when you hit the record button here, GoPro starts recording. Stop recording, GoPro stops recording. Thank you, GoPro, for releasing this. It will make the Mission 1 a lot more convenient to work with. Thank you for watching.